Thinking about starting a business? If you are, that's great. Being an entrepreneur is an amazing journey of discovery, and your success will be a gift for your family, your community, and the world. But be careful. Entrepreneurship is hard. Don't be fooled by the many success stories that you see. For sure, there are successes, but there are also a lot of fake it till you make it. And there's a lot of failure. You need to be prepared. How do you prepare to build a successful business? How do you avoid failure and achieve success? The answer is education. Now, I don't mean sitting in a classroom for years, definitely not. And I don't mean watching some videos on YouTube or signing up for a few workshops. I mean immersing yourself in business where you're making decisions like a real entrepreneur. Just like a pilot learns to fly an airplane using a flight simulator, and how the military prepares for combat missions. You need to learn how to start and manage a business in the same way. This is all possible with our training program called businessXP, where the XP stands for experience. With businessXP, you'll learn by doing using highly realistic games and simulations. You'll launch virtual businesses, sell products, choose prices, manage inventory, hire and schedule employees, review accounting and financial statements, negotiate deals, and build a stock portfolio. You can even IPO your business in one of our global business games. This is game-based learning. This is experiential learning, and it works. My team and I have invested millions of dollars over the past 20 years to build, test, and refine the highest performance training methods ever invented for learning how to start and run a business. Thousands of schools and universities and even Fortune 500 companies use elements of our businessXP curriculum in their courses and training. And now businessXP is available to everyone. businessXP is online, self-directed with live coaching, and can be completed part-time or full-time in weeks. Find out more at business-xp.com and sign up for our free email training to give it a try.